identify if the given triangle is right, acute, or obtuse. Step 1, identify A, B, and C. What is A? 8. What is B? What is C? Okay, then after that, substitute. What is C? 15. This will become 15 squared. Then we see, what is A? 8 squared plus what is B? 12 squared. Then simplify. 15 times 15? 225. 8 times 8? Then 4 times 12? Okay, so bring down 225. Then get the sum of 64 and 144. 208. Now compare the two numbers. Mas malaki ang 225 kesa 208. Now what is the inequality symbol? Aldopino? Okay, greater than. Kakainin si 225 at ituturo yung maliit 208. Now if the inequality symbol is greater than, we can say that the given triangle is what? Okay, very good. That is obtuse triangle. So thus we can say that the given triangle is obtuse since C squared is greater than A squared plus B squared.